Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Yuwell oxygen concentrator. First, carefully unpack your new device and place it on a stable, flat surface. Make sure there is at least 10 centimeters of clear space on all sides for proper airflow. Then, securely connect the power cord to the concentrator and plug it into a grounded electrical outlet. This ensures a safe and stable power supply for your unit. Next, let's prepare the humidifier. Fill the humidifier bottle with distilled or purified water, making sure not to exceed the maximum fill line. This prevents water from entering the oxygen tubing. Securely attach the filled humidifier bottle to its designated port on the oxygen concentrator. Finally, connect your nasal cannula or oxygen mask tubing to the humidifier bottle's outlet for comfortable oxygen delivery. Now, it's time to operate your concentrator. Turn on the power switch and allow the unit to warm up for approximately 5 minutes. This ensures optimal performance. Carefully adjust the oxygen flow rate to the specific setting prescribed by your doctor. Always follow medical advice for your flow rate. Finally, confirm a steady, consistent flow of oxygen from your nasal cannula or mask. Proper maintenance and safety are crucial. Clean the air filter weekly using mild soap and water, then allow it to dry completely before reinserting. Regularly inspect your nasal cannula and tubing for any kinks or damage, replacing them as needed to ensure efficient oxygen delivery. Always keep your oxygen concentrator away from open flames, sparks, and heat sources to prevent fire hazards.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.